Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to find the standard deviation, right? So doing this using statistics function, it's pretty. The library with its function, it's pretty simple, right? If we had to do this in C, it would have taken us a long time, right? So it would have been very hectic. So standard deviation, the function we pass in the numbers, I guess, right? So the iterable, I guess, it takes in iterable, so, and then perhaps we might have to round. That's the only thing that we need to do. If we run this, I guess it will work. Yep, let's submit it. I'm pretty sure if we check the solutions as well, apple won't fall far away from the tree, right? Will be something similar. That's what I mean by my analogy over there. Okay, yeah, pretty much same, right? So that's how we solve this problem. If you have any doubts, do comment down below. Bye bye.